There seems to be an unlimited number of companies and brokerages out there that offer to list property for a wide range of price points. But you don't want to just list your property, you want to sell it. And that's why every property listed with Falaya is assigned a dedicated transaction coordinator that monitors your listing in the background to ensure that nothing gets missed. Your transaction coordinator will route all buyer leads to you seamlessly and ensure you receive every offer made on your property. Once under contract, we will regularly update your task list to keep your progress on track and add contact information so you can easily get in touch with lenders, title companies, or anyone else involved in the deal. Everything your transaction coordinator does feeds directly into the Falaya mobile app, so you can quickly take action to follow up with leads, respond to offers, and check off tasks from anywhere at any time. Your dedicated transaction coordinator will also serve as your go-to contact at Falaya, so you can always get support precisely when you need it. We go above and beyond to ensure that you have a smooth, efficient, and transparent selling experience from listed to sold. Other flat fee listing platforms outsource your listing to third-party brokers. While they might claim to put your contact information on the MLS, the fact of the matter is that many MLS boards actually prohibit putting seller contact info on the listing. And even when it is allowed, buyer agents are usually more comfortable just contacting the listing broker rather than you. The result of this is missed opportunities as vital buyer leads never end up reaching you. With Falaya, you can rest assured that nothing will be missed. So don't just list your property, sell it with Falaya. Falaya, it's real estate reimagined.